Okay, hi friends, Pam Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions, and I'm back today, and I'm gonna, after I cut my finger on the pinching needle nose pliers, so, okay, I'm gonna finish the cover of my journal, my dot calendar, whatever it's called, and we're gonna get going on that, so here we go, hang on. Here we go, getting ready to finish up decorating the journal. I just am loving the color combination where I can kind of tone down that orange. Throw away my brush that I ruined with the glue, but save the piece of paper, and gonna grab another brush and order myself a little tip for my glue so I don't have to use brushes anymore. And here I have that really fun bling bling safety pin that's just so nice that I was going to hang some dangly charms off of that have love and peace, and I think it's love, peace, and I'm not really sure. I'd have to look again, but it's harder to get it through there because I have that lace glued down. And then the bling. Oh yes, I keep trying to use that bling. I love it so much. Even considered putting it on the elastic, but I figured it would really ruin the manipulation of the elastic. It wouldn't work right. So I'm going to lay it there. Even when I go shopping, if I find something I like, I say, okay, I'm going to write it around with me and think about it. So that's what I did. I'm finishing up this little corner down here that has the word, my name Pamela, off of one of my business cards, and putting a little bit of bling down there, and putting that really cute heart that has bling on it, and a teeny tiny little key that I thought really added to the whole thing. And there I'm using my very favorite jewel picker. Oh, it's so wonderful. It just makes all the difference. I've tried several kinds, but that really works the best for me. I love it. Got it on Amazon, and I will list it down below. And so then I'm trying to still decide if I'm going to use the big heart under the 2020 or the smaller one, but I think you'll see that the bigger one actually accents it and looks much better. I really like it that way. This is making it way more fun for me to have a journal that I can really like the way it looks, and very vintage and shabby chic, and I'm digging it. Has the nice lace down in the corners, and really little lace everywhere. There's my Surebonder glue gun. It looks terrible, but I love it. Bought a brand new one and tried to use it, but I couldn't stand it, so I had to get my ugly duckling out. Here's a close-up so that you can see exactly what that corner turned out to be, and I think it's so pretty. As you can see, I did end up using the bling bling. I really like it. I think it's so pretty. It really turned out nice. I like it a lot. So there you have a real close-up of the bling bling that I put on there. Really turned out nicely. At the top, I decided to add a little bit of lace looking to even everything out, so that the whole journal has just an even look on the front. And how can you go wrong with keys? I love keys. They're so vintage, and they're just so nice. I like them a lot. And there's the heart. Yes, we use the heart. We're going to use the heart. But I think we're going to have to add a little bling bling to it. And here's my favorite, my Bloomin' Rose from We Are Memory Keepers. Oh, I love this thing. You just twist it open, and you have all these little petals that you can put your fun bling bling in to make it look so nice. I do have a little sheet inside of that that's got little tiny bling bling that will fit in the little bitty crevices of that heart, and makes it look really nice. very vintage, but just such a nice little sweet touch of shabby chic. Yep, I like it. So we'll glue that heart down and then we'll add the bling to it, and it's going to be lovely. All of these metal pieces that I have, I purchase them at Michael's or Joann's when they're on sale, and I just kind of keep collecting them as I go. And very often they're 60% off or sometimes 40% off, and then we get to use my husband's military discount, or sometimes you can get those coupons that are 20% off of items that are on sale. So that really works nicely, and I like it. I keep a bunch of them on hand for cards and just mixed media, anything that I do. I use them a lot, and I really enjoy them. You can purchase the legs that go on boxes and the Tim Holt items. In fact, I was just at Hobby Lobby the other day, and everything Tim Holt was 50% off. So that was fun. I got just a few packages then. So you can see we're getting the heart completely blinged out and have it just look so nice. I'm really liking it. I think it's softening the whole color with the orange and blends it in. I don't mind it at all. I like it. This truly makes it feel like my journal. I'm really feeling like this is my journal, so I think I will really use it. I will every day document my tracking, and I think it's a very positive thing to make something look pretty. I feel like it needs a little bit of pearl look, to keep it with the shabby chic as well. So a few little pearls, kitty corner across from each other, I think is just enough to make it more shabby chic. Keeping the shabby chic theme along with the vintage, I enjoy it. And also the jewelry picker works excellent for the pearls too, the flat back pearls. Yes, and the camera stopped on me when I wanted to add a little bit more lace by that safety pin that had the bling bling on it, but I have a close-up that I can show you where it really turned out nice. I think it made it look a little bit classier and was so much fun. And for those of you that are subscribers, thank you so much for being a part of my channel, and I just appreciate you so much. You just don't even know. You say, how can you love somebody you don't know? But I just do. I just absolutely love all of you, and it's been so fun to be a part of your lives with this YouTube channel. And those of you that have not subscribed yet, if you like what you see on my channels, then go ahead and subscribe. And there's a little bell you can ring. I say ring. You can click on a bell and it'll notify you anytime there's a new video up. And we're going to be doing a bunch of new things. I've just finished making some shopping bags, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of Valentine decorations and what have you. But this has been really fun. I have some close-up pictures coming up, and I've had to do a voiceover on this video because for some reason my microphone wasn't loud enough with the camera. I actually used my phone this time because my camera stopped and wouldn't do it, but I put the new battery in. So for the next video I'm going to use my camera. But thank you so much for sharing this time with me. It's been so fun, and here's the close-up that you can see a lot of the different blings, and yet gentle, not overdone. I don't think. I like it a lot, with a little string on the bottom there by the little individual rows, and I added some little ribbon up at the top that has pearls and little roses. This is the back, and the back will stay flat, which makes it really nice when you're writing, and it's just flat on the back, but so pretty with some lace and the different torn papers and the inks. And look at the orange. It doesn't matter. But Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And you all have just an absolutely wonderful day. And may God bless you and be with you this day and help you have a wonderful day. And we'll talk to all you good people later. And see you on the next video. Bye-bye.